Okay. Was she stopped or?
No, she was good.
She was in travel to make sure okay to drive.
Probably better than you, man.
Okay.
Don't tell me what to do and what not to do.
At this time, you're under arrest.
Resisting! Stop fucking resisting! Stop resisting! Stop fucking Stop resisting!
What happens when implied consent collides with a voluntary participation framework? When Miranda is read before it is constitutionally required? When verbal threats captured on camera generate felonies exposure beyond the original charge? Every decision in this encounter carries a legal consequence. The question is, which ones survive?
Who's driving it?
Oh, he's driving that car.
Okay.
My car.
Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, man, we were coming into the stop and I just escaped it.
Was she stopped or?
No, she was good, man.
She was traveling?
Yeah, no, she was doing nothing.
No, I'm saying, was she traveling or was she stopped?
No, she was stopped. But
She was stopped? Can I get your license, registration, insurance, please?
Yeah, she was fine. She was fine.
How are you? Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, I was just sitting at the red light and I just got slammed into the back.
Have a good. Can I get your license, registration, insurance, please? Can I get your registration, insurance also, please? Okay. I'll be with you in a minute, okay?
What do you need, man? What do you need?
Insurance card
Yeah.
and registration.
Okay.
It's the third time I'm telling you, sir.
No, I know that.
Okay, then why you keep asking the question?
Because I keep asking.
Okay.
There's no problem with asking.
Yeah, I keep telling you what I needed, and then you keep
No.
asking.
I should stop to see if you wanted us to wait for the tow trucks for you or anything.
Uncle, thank you.
You got it? All right.
Great. So I'm gonna give all the information shit, and then
Let the other guy go and then I'll let my shit.
Yep. All right.
Was he still behind the wheel when you got you?
No, he was outside standing, but he kept getting in and out, and then they.
The other lady see him in the car? Just confirm it with
Yeah,
the driver's.
yeah. Here's your driver license. Did you observe him in the driver's seat of the car? Okay.
Yeah, it was my fault. And I was like, I better.
Were you trying to change lanes or?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I hit
okay.
her. I hit
I
her.
was just asking.
Yeah, I hit her. I admit I'll go.
All right, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Here's your insurance card.
Thank you.
Case number highlighted for you.
Yeah.
Her information in the first box.
Yeah, no.
Your information
her
in the
and I
second
talked.
box. And then myself at the bottom. Full report should be ready in about a week or so.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
her and I talked.
Okay,
We
perfect.
talked this way, you know.
Okay.
I mean, it's totally my fault. I gotta straighten it out.
Okay. Alrighty.
You know, and that's, I'm
Okay.
sorry about that.
Alrighty. Okay.
All right. We're now transitioning from a traffic crash to a DUI investigation. All right. Talking to you. Smell odor alcohol. See the indicators of impairment.
Give me that.
No.
No, we're not giving you
That's not how that works. All right. So I'm transitioning, changing the hats. We're now conducting a DUI investigation. We're driving under the influence, okay?
Really?
Yeah. I gotta
Really?
read this to you.
Really?
Yeah. I gotta read your
Really?
rights to you.
Really?
Yes, I'm serious.
Really?
Okay. You have the right to remain silent and answer your question. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of the lawyer of your choice before you make any statement during any question. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any question. If at any time during your interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be your own free will. Any statement can and will be used against your court of law. You understand your rights I've read to you?
No, I don't.
You want to read them again?
Yeah, read them 400 times.
I'm not reading 4 times.
No,
It's yes
you
or
read
no.
them. You
It's
read
yes
them.
or no.
You read them.
Do you understand?
You read them, man.
What did you not
You
understand?
read them.
All right,
Read them.
that's how this is going to work.
Okay, well, there you go. Then we
Okay.
got a problem.
All right, I want to do a couple roadsides to make sure you're okay to drive. Are you willing to perform the task to make sure you're okay to drive?
Probably better than you, man.
Okay, so you're willing to perform the task that I'm asking you to do? It involves walking a straight line, balancing on one foot, check your eyes out. Are you willing to do the task I'm asking you?
Who are you?
Okay. Are you willing to do
Who
the
are
task?
you?
Who
are you?
Come right over here.
No. I want to know who you are.
My name is William Buttsback. I work for the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department. That's Jason Jung. He works
Yeah,
for the Palm Beach
you are the
Gardens Police
same
Department.
guys that shoot people, man, coming off.
Okay.
the
Are you going to
95.
perform the task that I'm requesting
No,
of
I'm
you?
asking you.
Okay. If you refuse to perform the task that I'm requesting of you, I'm going to have to use everything up to this point. This is your Taylor warning now. If you refuse to do that, I'm going to have to use based off observations, the crash, and everything to this point, and make an arrest based on what I know to this point. So are you refusing to perform the road signs that I'm asking you?
You started all this shit?
You started all the crap.
No, I didn't start this. I was very kind to that girl.
Okay.
And
We're
you know,
past
I
that
didn't
point.
start all this shit.
So if you refuse to do what I'm
Yeah,
asking
no,
you,
I didn't start all this shit. You
If
fucking
this is-
Palm Beach
if you
Gardens
refuse to do
police
what I'm
are
asking
fucking
you-
bastards.
then I'm going to have to make an arrest based on the totality of circumstances up to this point. Are you willing to perform the road signs?
Yeah, what do you want to do?
Okay, come stand right over here.
Yeah, okay.
Stand right there with the feet together, heels touching, toe touching. Just
Okay.
like me.
Heels touching, toes touching.
Hands down to your side. Put your
There you go, buddy.
toes together, just like me. Keep your hands to your side. Don't do anything else. How much you had to drink today?
I haven't had nothing to drink today.
Okay, what medication do you take?
I take a lot of medication.
What's a lot of medication? What do you take?
Are you a doctor?
No.
Are
What do
you a
take?
doctor?
If you're refusing to do what I'm asking you and you're going to do
No,
this,
okay,
I'm just going to take
okay.
you to jail.
Here.
I'm ready. I'm listening. I'm all
Okay.
ears.
I take. You motherfuckers, really. It's a problem. It's a problem.
I don't know what the problem is.
The problem's you.
Okay.
I'm sorry to be so
I don't know why you have to be nasty. Just doing my job.
I'm just sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I appreciate it. If you're not impaired, no problem. You can get on with our day. Yeah, it's simple. All right. Do you have any problems walking a straight line or balancing on one foot? Go ahead and put your feet together.
66 years old.
Feet
What do
together.
you want?
Heels touching, toe touching. Hands down to your side. Don't do anything else, okay? I want you to see the tip of this pen right here?
Yeah, I see.
I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only.
Yeah,
All right? Follow this.
I see it. Man. Yeah, I see it.
You gotta follow it.
Yeah, I see it. I see it. What's the
Well, look at
what's
me.
the
Follow
issue?
the pen.
I see it. It's in front of me.
Well, stop looking at me. Follow the pen.
I see it.
I'm not asking you to see it. I'm telling you to follow it. Go ahead. Go back into the stance I told
Oh,
you
you're
Hands down at
irritating
your
me,
side.
man. You're irritating
to.
me.
Hands down at your side. You're making this harder than it has to be. You gotta stay in the position I'm telling you. Hands
okay.
and your hands out at your side.
There.
Follow the tip of my pen.
Yeah, I see it.
This is for you. I'm trying to make sure you're okay to drive. That's all we're
Yeah.
doing.
I ain't
So
driving
the
that car
easier-
back. I'll
the
walk
easier
back
you
to where I
cooperate with me.
Yeah,
the faster
no, I
we can go
understand.
about our way.
I understand,
Right?
sir.
Okay.
I understand. I'm
So-
sorry.
Help me help you.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Look at the tip of this pen.
Yes,
Just
sir.
follow with your eyes only.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
You got to keep your head still and follow with your eyes. All here.
And what certifications do you have to do this?
I have A-Ride.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I do.
Do you?
We'll follow
Really?
it, Yeah. I've got over 160 hours of training.
Oh, really?
Follow us out here. Yeah.
Really, I'm a registered nurse.
Okay.
I think you're
Can
full
you
of
follow
shit.
this?
Yeah, I see it.
You're not following it.
I'm following it.
Eyes only.
You know,
You're making it hard to me. Just follow it. That's all you do.
I was following it.
Watch it.
Fuck, man. Okay, go. Go.
You can't move
Go.
your head. Keep your head still.
Yeah, I see it. I see
You
it.
have to keep looking at
I
it.
see it. I see it. I have a broad.
No,
I see.
you have to follow it all the way.
Oh, fuck. Really?
Can you go ahead and get back into the position?
Yeah, sure. Don't ever come into a hospital where I'm at, baby.
I hope you're not my nurse.
I'll fuck you up bad.
Okay.
Okay? Just so we're clear.
Okay.
I'll fuck you up
Follow
there.
this pen. All right. Are you refusing to complete the exercise?
No. Not at all.
Follow the tip
No,
of the pen.
you're incompetent to
Follow
do
the
it.
tip of the pen.
You're incompetent. I said.
Don't move your head. Your head has to stay straight.
Ah, come on, do it. I'm sorry. You guys want to take your guns out?
Stop moving.
Don't tell me what to do and what not to do.
At this time, you're under arrest. Okay?
Stop resisting! Stop fucking resisting! Stop resisting!
Don't fucking pick me.
Stop fucking me! Stop fucking resisting! I'm good.
Yeah, now we're good.
I'm good.
Yeah, we're good now. Come on, let's go.
Good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Trevor, 16.
Can I pull my pants up? Yeah. Can I pull my
I'm out
pants up?
10-15 for signal 1 and resistor down.
Can I pull my pants up?
We'll get there.
Thank you. Thank you.
For V1.
I see enough, guys.
In a minute.
Please.
052.
Can I stand up?
Stand up.
Your turn.
Come on, let's go. This side. Have a seat.
I need your badge number.
Okay, you're on the report.
No, I need it.
Okay. 507.
I need it.
454.
I need your badge number and your...
454.
That's all right. I need it in writing.
You'll get everything in writing.
Florida Statute, Section 316. 193 defines DUI as operating a vehicle while normal faculties are impaired by alcohol. Chemical substances under Section 877.111. Or controlled substances under Chapter 893. Lawfully prescribed medication is expressly included within this definition. The nature of the impairing substance does not affect criminal liability. Only the degree of impairment determines guilt. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S., 420, 1000. 984 holds that ordinary traffic stops are not custodial interrogation. Miranda warnings are constitutionally unnecessary prior to formal arrest during a roadside DUI investigation. Under Berkemer v. Tompkins, 560 U.S., 372,010. Invoking Miranda once advised requires an explicit, unambiguous assertion. Ambiguous or skeptical responses do not activate constitutional protection. Silence alone is insufficient. Florida Statute Section 316.1000. 932 restricts implied consent exclusively to chemical testing, breath, blood, or urine administered following a lawful arrest. Field sobriety exercises fall entirely outside this statute. FST participation is voluntary in Florida. Refusal may be introduced as consciousness of guilt evidence and may contribute to probable cause. But refusal alone does not constitute an independent basis for arrest under implied consent law. The HGN test evaluates involuntary ocular nystagmus, a physiological eye reflex exaggerated at lower gaze angles under substance impairment. The subject cannot perceive or control nystagmus. NHTSA protocol requires eyes-only tracking of the stimulus. Head movement invalidates clue observation and requires the officer to re-instructing and restart the entire evaluation sequence. Probable cause under Section 316.193 is a totality of circumstances analysis. Legally recognized contributing factors include at-fault collision, behavioral indicators at initial contact, disorganized responses under questioning, unidentified controlled substance acknowledgement, failure to complete standardized SFST protocol. No single factor is independently dispositive. Each documented observation compounds the cumulative arrest threshold. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1000, 989. Reasonableness of force at arrest is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer in the moment, not hindsight. Active physical resistance and prior verbal threats constitute contemporaneous threat evidences directly relevant to the force justification analysis. Florida Statute, Section 784.S7, subsection 2. Paragraph C elevates aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer to a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years. Conditional phrasing of a threat does not negate criminal liability where it establishes a well-founded fear of violence in the victim. Post-arrest threats are charged independently, cumulative to and entirely separate from any underlying DUI or resisting arrest offense. Key legal lessons. Implied consent does not cover field sobriety tests. Medication impairment carries identical liability to alcohol under Section 316.193. Verbal threats against law enforcement create independent felony exposure regardless of phrasing. Every statement made during an active investigation is admissible evidence at all subsequent proceedings. At what threshold does a conditional verbal threat satisfy Section 784.7 aggravated assault? Does probable cause built on behavioral observation and an incomplete sobriety test survive cross-examination at trial? When DUI, resisting, and felony assault charges accumulate against one defendant, which elements survive suppression? Proceedings are still ahead. The answers remain open.